Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this look, this bronzed, glowy look. The summertime is coming, the warmer days are coming, it is getting more humid out. We do not want to wear a lot of makeup on our skin, but we also want to look bronzed and glowy. So I created this makeup look for that, as well as the eyeshadow to make the deep set eyes pop using a lot of cream products to keep the eyes hydrated, especially for maturing eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. All right, so it has been several hot minutes and I feel like I don't even know how to film anymore. It's been a while since I've sat down and filmed a video. There's been lots going on. We were out of town for a hockey tournament. My younger son had track, and just getting into the flow of more summer weather now. Like, I just feel like there's been no time. I just haven't sat down and filmed. But today is the long weekend. My kids are at the house, gone fishing, so I have the place to myself for a bit. Trying to organize. I started that yesterday, trying to clean out my closet and just get rid of things. And it's so hard for me, like especially with my kids, if I find things that they made or things that were theirs, I just have a hard time getting rid of it. Just trying to get rid of excess clutter. That's like my big thing. So on that note, let's get into the makeup look. I'm just gonna start out with the Simply Ageless Triple Action Concealer. I'm gonna go in with that first on my face. I just put a little bit, did my eyebrows, and that is about it. So I'm starting off with concealer first, just because I want this look to be really natural and blended. So I want to kind of blend everything else on top of the concealer and any kind of contour that I put on. So we'll start off with that first, blend it out. Also, I'm going to try this out for you guys today. I got this for my birthday from my bestie. This is the Glowy Super Gel, so dewy illuminating fluid, and you can use this on top of your skin after. Mix it in with your foundation, which is what I've been doing. Gives you like the flawless filter glow with any kind of foundation you want to mix it in. So you can just, apply it after, before, whenever you want. It smells really nice. It has like a rosy smell to it, and it's nice for the skin. It's hydrating, so I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of that on my hand, just like a pea-sized amount, and I'm gonna mix that in with the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. We are gonna be a super glow today, and yeah, I just want to be glowy and hydrated, and I think I just have to shake this a little bit because sometimes the oils in it separate. So we're gonna shake that up. Yeah, so we went to Winnipeg last week for a hockey tournament. It is so nice to go on a hockey tournament when it is warm out, when it is sunny, when the sun is out late, and like you kind of have to worry about the arenas being a little bit cold, but once you get outside, it's warm. Like, it's the best instead of freezing cold weather. So they did all right there. Spring hockey's kind of funny. It's teams that are just put together. Some teams have been playing together forever. Some are just newly put together teams, and kind of like there's different levels too. Like, you never know what you're gonna get with spring hockey, where you're going, the competition you're playing against. So the competition was a little bit stiff. It was a little bit better, but my son really excelled there and learned a lot. So I was happy for that. So yeah, you get that nice, healthy glow to the skin with the Say. It's so beautiful. Perfect for summer weather. Now I'm going to go in with the Lottie blush in the shade Serene. So this is like a peachy, warm, neutral blush tone with a slight iridescence to it. So I'm just going to pop this up on the cheeks And then after, I'm going to blend my bronzer through. Just to get more of a bronze look, but you'll have kind of like the peachiness coming through without looking too much like a blush. I want more of a bronzed look. This is like the perfect shade to go with like a bronzy tan look. Just looks really healthy on the cheeks. The slight iridescence in it gives you a little added glow. I'm gonna go in with the Butter Bronzer now. Ever since I saw that Sophia Richie has been using this, used it for her getaway wedding or when she was on vacation, like this is the only bronzer I've been using. Just forgot how like smoothing and creamy it is, and it smells so good. Like your face will smell so good with all of these products. Even the Milani Glow has kind of like that coconutty smell to it, along with the Say Super Glow Gel that has like a rosy smell. So your face will smell so luxurious with all these products. Put some on my neck. We just got a nice bronze happening. Now for the eyes. This is what I've been loving to do lately. It just looks so nice with deep set eyes. Helps just give like a bronzy look to them. And you can go in and add some more eyeshadow if you want on top. I might add a little bit of shimmer on top afterwards. Usually I'll just wear it plain and natural. But I will link my video on kind of the C technique that I was using for deep set eyes, because that is like a similar kind of shape that we're going to be doing this time with the contour stick instead of eyeshadow, but it's the same idea of just following the C along your eyes, and really don't be shy about going underneath with the contour stick. This one is the Wonder Stick from NYX, and it's in the shade Medium Tan. And the bronze tones just really help with the blue violet tones that you have going on and really make blue eyes pop. So if you have blue eyes, it'll really make your eyes pop. So we got kind of like the C going on, and then I am going to take a brush if I can find one. Which one do I want to use? Something a little bit more dense. Okay, I'll use this one that I got with the Naked palette, and just, you can even hold your eye taut if your skin is aging. You can hold the eye taut and just blend that out and around in the shape of a C. You can really just go underneath the eye with it. You can add some more shadow on top for some more pigment, more depth. If you're like doing a night out and you want this kind of like a primer for the shadows you want to put on, that'll really hold it in afterwards. And like, don't be shy with going underneath the eye with the bronze stick. I did this before with bronzing powder, just going in really close right here underneath the eye with powder bronzer. So same kind of thing. Have it in a different video from probably a year ago, how I like to go in close with bronzers around the outer corner of the eye. Now to make the lid pop, right along the lash line, you can see there is veins here, there is shadows here. I'm going in with the other side, which is the highlighter side, and putting that along the lash line. This works great as an eyeshadow primer as well. It's nice and creamy on the eyes. You can just blend it out with your finger. And that'll just make your lids pop. Conceal some of the veins along the lash line as well. Now I'm going to go in with brown eyeliner on the outer corner of the eye, just right in between the two where the lash lines meet. I'm going to start there and just along the top of the lash line, just along the bottom of the lash line. So just on the outer corner, I'm going to add a little bit more depth. And we're going to blend that out as well. So you can just push it along the lower lash line, the top lash line. You don't have to be perfect with it. You can kind of go in the crease with it as well. Just adding a little bit more depth to the outer corner. Pull the eye taut if you want. All right, so a highlighter will work perfectly for just a little bit of iridescence on the eye. So I'm gonna go in with the palette from e.l.f. This is a blush and highlighter, and this is in the shade Cantaloupe. So I'm just gonna go in with my finger, get a little bit of that, and then just pop it on top of the eye, focusing more in the inner corner area. This is nice and bright. Perfect. So get it up in kind of like the inner corner area, not in the inner corner by the nose, but the inner part of the lid. All right, so I popped on some mascara. This is the final look. I think this is the perfect makeup bronzed glowy look for summer, the perfect eye. So simple, not a lot of eyeshadow, more cream products. It's going to keep the eye looking more hydrated, especially for maturing deep set eyes. We got the nice bronze tones in there to counterbalance the darker tones, the cooler tones, and then popping in that bright inner highlight to just make the lids pop. This is a perfect look for summer, like I said, and not too heavy on the skin, and yeah, all of that good stuff. So let me know if you try it out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.